Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today is April the 5th, 2019, and the time is 4 a.m. GMT. So today we will be taking a look at the chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This is a YMF, Dow Jones Futures. We can see from this low on March 25th, the index has been extending higher, pushing it higher, and in an impulsive way. So we got this 1, 2. We can see the wave 1 subdivides into 5 waves, wave 2 in 3 waves, and then this is wave 3 right here. Okay, subdivides also in a nice 5 waves as well, impulse, right? And then you can see the momentum currently has a divergence right now. So that suggests that we can be potentially ending the wave 5 already. Usually in the wave 5 in the Elliott Wave theory is going to lack the momentum, and currently you can see the wave 5 subdivides already, but it looks like we are still only within the wave 3 of the wave 5 right now. Okay, so in other words, in the shorter cycle, we can expect further upside in the Dow Jones, and pullback should stay supported, okay, in 3711 swing against 26140 in the first degree for further upside before ending the wave 5 and ending the entire 5 waves up from here. Now looking at the slightly larger degree, if I go to the 4-hour chart, we can see there are two important lows here, key level from the bull, right? One is the 2018 low, December 26th. Second one is the March 9th, 2019 low, and we can see the Dow still continues to extend higher, and this is likely still within the same cycle from 2018. Okay, and so now we don't have all the full count. I mean, if you want to see all the full count on all different time frame, it's available in our member area. There is a 14-day free trial. The link is in the description of the video. But if we just focus on the short term, you can see this wave 1 here in blue, sorry, wave 2 here is this wave 2 here in the 4-hour chart. So in other words, we are talking about the cycle that starts from 2019 low on March, right? So we have this 1, 2, and then now we are within this wave 3 in blue, and then as you can see, that wave 3 in blue subdivides into 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if you want to put it on the 4-hour chart, this is your 1 here, this is your 2, right? And this is your 3, and this is your 4. And so that means that once we finish this 5 waves up in the red, okay, with a little bit more upside here, we have already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so once we finish that, we should be ending wave 3 supposedly, right? And then from there we can get a pullback with potential move one more push to end this wave 5 in blue. All right, as to what will be the potential target, at least for this wave 3 in blue, right? If you do measure the extension from this low to this 1 and 2, you can see that we have already technically reached the 100% extension area. Okay, we have reached the 100% extension area. Now the wave 3 sometimes can extend all the way to 161.8 extension, or sometimes but it doesn't have to, right? It doesn't have to reach the 1.618, but we should expect this wave 3 in blue potentially can end not really too long, right? Not really too far away from where we are. We should be ending, because you can see in the subdivision of this 5 here, currently already you can see it in the 1-hour chart. Currently already you can see 3 waves. So really you are only looking at some sort of a little bit more marginal high here, maybe another % or 2% maximum, and then after that you will be ending this wave 3 and then do a bigger pullback, at least in the wave 4, right? In the wave 4 pullback, which is going to be a little bit bigger pullback that will correct the entire 5 waves up, and then before potentially another push to the upside. All right, so in other words, right now there is nothing to suggest this is bearish, right? Nothing to suggest, oh, there is a bearish sequence or anything like that. It doesn't look bearish. Okay, it doesn't look bearish. and it can keep continue to go up and melting up. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and wish you all have a good weekend. All right, and see you all again next time.